This is Mrs. Waldron, and this is a tutorial on how to set up your ePortfolio for Google site. The first thing you're going to do is click onto Google and make sure you're signed in, and then click on the waffle, and you're going to choose Sites. From there, you're going to click on New Google Sites. New Google Sites is a lot more simple than the regular one. And for us, simple is better. Once you click there, you need to add a new site. So we're going to click Add. And once this is done loading, you're going to name your site, your name, Mrs. Waldron's eFolio 6th grade computers. So yours will be your name, eFolio 6th grade computers. Then you're going to edit this. You can name it. You can change different things. So I will just give you a quick list. So this first part is going to be a little introduction to yourself and those eFolio requirements. And then you're going to have to add pages for each skill. So I'm going to add a page by clicking pages and then the plus sign. So then I can write skill 1, and then skill 1 is our ePortfolio. You can just write skill 1. And you'll notice that now my home page is here and now it says skill 1. So you can leave this as skill 1 and then you'll put what it is underneath in a little bit of detail. Then what you're going to do is you're going to attach that skill and a little bit about it. So I need to insert, I can add a text box, and in this skill I learned how to make an eFolio using Google Sites. It is useful because I can use websites to display information easily. Then you give me an example of how you can use it in class. For example, I can make a page about a country for a project for social studies. This gives you application how you can use this skill in your future. I don't need to save. It's just like Google Docs in that it saves itself. You can also add images if you want to. You can upload different files. So when I attach my file, let's say I need to attach a picture of what I did, you can link. So you can go ahead and put a link in. You could put in a YouTube video, which we won't really be doing, but you can insert your Google Doc right here. So let's say it's this one, and it'll embed it right there so that when I'm looking at your stuff, I can see it right there. And if you need to put a link in, you can do that too. To do that, you simply go to a text box, type in, and then you can highlight that link and then find that or copy and paste that URL from your Google. Once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and hit publish. Now, we don't really want the whole world to see our site, and actually, so anyone at Birchwood School, or if you don't publish it, you can share it or add editors. So keep your friends out, but you can add Mrs. Waldron to this page. So go here and then invite me to see your page. And then go ahead and hit send, and that will give me access to it. And then if you want to see what it looks like, you can hit preview. And that will show you kind of what I see when I click on here. Mine zoomed way in. There we go. So now I can click home and I can see what you have here, and I can click your skills, and then you'll have all of your skills. Some of them will be lumped together, but you get the basic gist of it. One last thing is changing colors and themes, you can do that here. So basically, just kind of play around with it and make it your own.